Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. Many times I am getting the questions from the students and they are asking me that whether this Oracle certification will help me to get the Oracle DB job. So my understanding is yes, it is important that you have the Oracle certification, and it will be really a plus point for you if you have the certification with you. Now the next question is it mandatory that we should have the Oracle certification to get the job? Then I would say no, it is not mandatory. In my previous video I have also explained that Oracle have announced the free certification related to the Oracle Autonomous Database and Oracle Cloud Technology. And after this announcement by the Oracle, I can see there are many messages and email to me asking for dumps. Even on different Facebook platform also, or WhatsApp group also, I can see the multiple people, they are just doing the business, or you can say that the multiple student, they are asking for the dumps. So let me tell you my experience. When you are going for an interview, and if you are saying that this you are a Oracle certified professional, then the expectation of the interviewer will be really high. And based upon the expectation, since you have Oracle certification in your hand, he will ask you the question in a such way that you are already prepared and you have a good understanding about the Oracle database technology. Now let's say you got the Oracle dumps, you have prepared yourself by seeing the Oracle dumps, and fortunately same question arrived in the Oracle DBA exam. Then you will certainly, surely you will clear that exam. But what will happen? You will not have the understanding, you will not have the knowledge about the Oracle database technology. You have just read the content and you have passed the exam. Maybe you have a tag of the Oracle certification on your resume, but that will never be helpful for you guys. So let me tell you frankly over here, if you really want to progress yourself in the Oracle database technology or whatever the technology, you should be prepare yourself. You should have the knowledge about that technology, and how you can get that knowledge by seeing the YouTube channel, by reading the blogs. Oracle official websites are there, other contents are there, some labs are there. So all those things, you can set up the environment at your home. You can take the classes on Udemy. If you want to go for online classes, offline classes, just do whatever you want to do. That's not a problem. So based upon your ability, you can take all those things. But if you're just taking the dumps from the different people who are doing the business and trying to just clear the exam, that will not be helpful for you. That I'm telling you surely. Whatever the questions you have in your dumps, if you think that same question will be asked by the interviewer, then no, he will ask you the real-time questions. And if you want to know about the real-time questions answer, then you need to read the content one by one. Then only you can do these things. You need to set up this environment in your home, do practice. And if you are facing any issue, go in the on different blogs are there, Stack Overflow is there, lot of people are also posting it on the group. The suggestions you can get from the expertise, the seniors, and then you can prepare yourself, and then you can say yes, I have the knowledge about the Oracle database technology. But if you are just saying that you have cleared the Oracle database examination and you are fully prepared, no, that is not going to be happen. Guys, I have one request for all of you. Please don't ask me or don't drop me an email asking for the dumps. I am creating the videos just for your to increase your knowledge, to gain more and more knowledge. So whatever the things I am listening from different blogs, I am reading the contents, the same thing I am trying to share with you. So I have seen a multiple emails from the different people asking for dumps. If you are facing any kind of the technical issue, or if you want any kind of the guidelines or guidance, you can just put it into the comment section. Definitely I'll be creating more videos on this. And if you're looking for real-time database training, you can connect with me, but don't ask me for the dumps. That is not where I can help you out.